Hello everyone, you are tuned in to my YouTube channel, Matkarit. So our lesson for today is about rules for subtracting integers. This is one of the confusing topic. So many students were confused as to what signs that you are going to put when they subtract two numbers with the same sign and two numbers with different signs. So that is why please watch this video attentively. Okay, rules in subtracting integers. Let us start subtracting a number with the same sign. You take note that when a number is added from another number, the subtracting number will be changed in sign. Okay, so when we subtract, let's say positive 6, positive 6, just write the positive sign to emphasize this expression. Then subtract it with the positive 2. Okay, positive 2. And this positive 2 is the subtracting number. So we need to change it, the sign of positive 2. So we will multiply this negative sign to the positive sign of 2. It becomes negative 2. Okay, just bring down this positive 6 and perform the subtraction. So this becomes positive 4. Okay. So next, subtracting with the same sign. Let's say negative 9. Negative 9 is subtracted by negative 6. Okay, so we will change the sign of the subtracting number by multiplying this negative sign to the negative signs of 6. So it becomes positive 6. Becomes positive 6. Yeah. And bring down this negative 9. And the result or the answer will take the sign of a larger number. So this is negative 3. We combine negative 9 and positive 6. So the result will take the sign of a larger number. So in this case, 9 is the larger number. I hope nakuha niyo ang ibig kong sabihin dito. Okay, next, what about if we subtract a number with different signs? Okay, so ganun pa rin, change natin yung sign ng subtracting na number. So mag-upisa tayo dito sa positive 5. So, positive 5. Positive 5 is subtracted, let's say, by negative 3. Okay, so we will change the sign of 3, the subtracting number, by multiplying this negative sign to the negative sign of 3. So it becomes positive 3. Becomes positive 3. Bring down this positive 5. So instead of subtracting, it now turns to addition. So this becomes positive 8. Okay, so that's the rule of subtraction. Okay, next. Okay, what about this? Let us start with negative. Okay, let's say we start with negative 7, and then it will be subtracted by the positive, let's say positive 2. Positive 2. So again, we will change the sign of the subtracting number by multiplying this negative sign to the positive sign of 2. So it becomes now negative 2. Negative 2, and bring down this negative 7, and then combine them, so it becomes now negative 9. Okay, so from subtraction it turns to addition of these two negative numbers, negative 7 combined with the negative 2. So the answer is a negative 9. Okay, so I hope nakapagbigay ako ng learning sa inyo. Hanggang dito lang muna tayo. Salamat sa panonood. God bless.